dude.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can't pose and back pedal. Into the bush. Away from the bush. What am I doing?
You're pushing me into the...
Oh wait, I'm sorry. I'm not too talented here.
I got it. Back pedal?
Right? Oh no. Oh no. Please, stuck on the camera.
Move it.
No, it didn't. Camera moved the tree. It's fine.
I want to get a shot of those reeds. But I'll have to wait till the reeds and get a little closer, I suppose.
So.
I could just leave this around my neck, couldn't I? It might get a little hot.
You wouldn't splash at all, would you?
There's a chance. You sure the camera's still pointing the right way?
Yep.
I don't want half of it to be in flight, just the bow.
It didn't move at all.
Okay. Can you still see a little tip of the bow in the picture?